In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 4 different Redbubble methods that you guys used and that actually worked to help some of you guys to get sales. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that will be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand stores. If you haven't already, please do take a moment to click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. And for those looking for any sort of extra information, I do actually have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, as well as the paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. Now, for those that watch my videos frequently, you know that I have a lot of Redbubble content on the channel. So what I decided to do, I decided to actually go through some of my comments of those videos, and I noticed that there's certain methods that were actually helping you guys to actually get sales. And I thought, why not break it down, put it into this video so you guys can see what methods to push onto to help increase the chances of you guys actually getting sales. The first method that worked for you guys was actually the sticker pack method. It's pretty much when you create different images, you put them onto one image, you upload it, and when a customer buys, they get more than one thing. Let me see if I can quickly show you guys an example. This here, I'm not too sure if you guys can see it. This here is a sticker pack. So as you can see, for example, the plant pots, there's 5 images of plant pots. They're each their own individual sticker that you can peel off. But when they're uploaded, the person actually uploads it as one thing. Going on to the comments that were left, so we had Diego saying all of my Redbubble sales came from sticker packs. Obviously showing that it clearly works for him. We had Wasim saying sales to come, obviously responding to what I'd said in that video, then saying, and I made my first sale, Phil, sold a sticker pack. And we had Paolo saying, I wanted to thank you, I got my first sale using the sticker pack strategy I learned on your channel. Now these are just 3 of the many people that have actually pulled off sales using the sticker pack method. And for anyone looking for more information in regards of what the sticker pack method is, what I'll do, I'll make sure to link the video I made covering this down in the description so you can follow along if you want to go ahead and do that. The second method I noticed was getting you guys sales was the method of enabling all of your products. Now I talk about this all the time and I tell you guys to enable all of your Redbubble products. A lot of you guys ask why. A lot of you guys don't want to do it because you don't think it's worth your time, and this is just to prove to you guys that it works. So the first comment we have there is from Melissa, and she was saying, I followed Phil's advice and enabled everything I could. My very first sticker pack surprised the heck out of me, as it sold not only as stickers but also on hoodies, t-shirts and sweatshirts. I guess people thought it was cute to look like someone splattered stickers all over their clothes. And another example of enabling everything, this wasn't a sticker pack, it was a design that I thought looked horrible on most things and really good on a few, and I'm guessing that's something else that went on to sell for Melissa. Next up, we have Hollywood's pretty much responding to Melissa saying, as it was for me, I got my first sale at 63 designs, and it was, as I thought, the ugliest design I had in my store, and someone actually liked it and bought 2 items. So there's really no thing as taste in this business, so I will be enabling everything from now on. Thank you, I trust you, and Phil. Pretty much responding to Melissa and the information I'd given about enabling everything. Now the main reason I show you guys this is to prove that enabling everything can increase your chances of selling things you yourself didn't even expect to sell. So this is something that you guys should already be doing, as it does make a difference. And as we're currently in Q4 at the time of recording this video, this is the most important time to make sure that you are enabling things, because people will be doing a lot of spending, and sometimes people do end up buying just random things they don't really need at the end of the day, and obviously you want to be making sure that you're capitalizing on that. The next thing we have, so the third method involves greetings cards. Now I spoke about making greetings cards a lot. As for the other 2 methods I mentioned, the videos that I made covering that will be linked down in the description, and obviously same with the greetings cards method. We've got 3 comments here, and obviously these are people that tried it and that were successful in that method. The first one came from TikTokies saying, funny how I wasn't expecting this, but I just sold some greetings cards yesterday on a design I didn't even expect. Wow. We have Melissa again saying, yes, I sold 28 of one Christmas card in December. My second most popular greeting card was Mother's Day. The rest have been miscellaneous designs that have no particular holiday. I'm guessing they were bought maybe for a birthday or get well soon or something else, as the design was fairly generic. Cards definitely sell. And then Stephanie saying, I would agree with greetings cards too, sold 19 in one purchase. One thing that's been common as of these 3 comments is the fact that you can potentially get a lot of greetings card sales in one purchase. This is something I've done myself multiple times and continue to do, and I'm just showing this to show you guys it's not me that can do this, only me. There's also other people that have implemented things I've spoke about in videos such as this one that have then gone on to be successful. And if you want to know clearly what some of these methods are, the videos will be linked in the description. And to finish us off, the 4th method is just using low competition trends, and these are the comments that are here to kind of support that. Where it was seen saying, got my first sale a few days back, all thanks to your low competition trends. And then we had Pandora saying, thank you so much for all your help. I made a sale on one of your trend tags. I did a little happy dance, hee. Thank you for the trends list. And these were people that were referring to the top 10 trends of the week videos I do. If you haven't watched them, the playlist for them will be linked down in the description if you're someone who's out there looking for ideas on what to make. The first method I mentioned was the sticker pack method. So if you want to watch a video on that, click it, will be right here. If you made it this far into this video, comment down sales to come, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.